Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a clean with me video where I do a voiceover as well. So I'm going to be concentrating on my living room today. So I hope that you enjoy this content. If you do, I'd love if you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and yeah, enjoy guys. So the first thing I'm going to be doing today is dusting the TV and the TV stand. And I'm going to be using a microfiber cloth, and it is especially for dusting. So it is going to be dry. I'm not going to put anything on it until later. So you can see here I gained a little helper. Ava has come in to help me with my cleaning today. So she has the bottle she has in her hand there is a spritz bottle, and it has Souflora in it. So Souflora is like a concentrated antibacterial disinfectant. So I have a mixture there in a bottle, and you can see now she's going to start cleaning with me. So I'm training her young. So again, at this stage I haven't put anything on the cloth. It is still dry and it's picking up the dust perfectly. So the next thing I'm moving on here is to the windowsill, I suppose, at our French doors. So I've sprayed on that Souflora mixture I was talking about, and I'm using that yellow cloth to wipe down and get rid of the majority of that dust. I did have a lot of sand on it because we have a sandbox outside for Ava. You can see it there, it's the orange and yellow thing, and she does drag a good bit of sand in, so this is what I'm scrubbing pretty hard there. So now the next thing I'm going to do is clean our windows, and I am using a blue microfiber cloth, and the only thing that is on this is water. So the cloth is just a tiny little bit damp, and I'm just making sure that I get everything off. It takes a lot of elbow grease. But I really didn't want to use any window cleaner or anything, and this worked perfectly. The inside of these windows are now nice and clean. I need to do the outside of them because they're in dire need of that now. then one of the final things I'm going to do over here is take my Soufflora mix and a green microfiber cloth that is just for wiping stuff down, and then clean the window surroundings, because they are dirty with Ava's dirty fingers that she puts on them as she walks in and out of the small little balcony that we have there. So this is what I am doing there. So now the windows are complete, we move on to the sofas. So as you can see, there is lots of stains on these, so I really do need to get a upholstery cleaner and clean those off, but that is for another day. But today I'm just going to concentrate on vacuuming them. Can't say that. I'm just going to get the hoover on them, get all of that dirt that does be in the crevices, and then just vacuum down the cushions as well, just to freshen them up a bit. And then later within the summer, I'm going to have to get an upholstery cleaner and give them a very good clean, because there is so much stains on them. Life with a toddler and a baby. Stains, stains, stains. So I move on to the second chair, and in the meantime I had done my sofa. It's just that my memory card was full and I didn't notice until the very end, so I hadn't recorded, so I had to change my memory card, and this is now being recorded on a different memory card. So I did actually complete the sofa, you're just not going to see it. So somewhere I always forget to do is this chair from Ava, that Ava has from IKEA. So as I was hoovering it, I decided, nope, it needs to come off. I need to wash it. So that's exactly what I did. I'm just gonna throw it in the wash, because it's in dire need of a good wash. There's so much stains on it. And then while I was there, I just got in behind the baseboards and just give it a quick hoover. So now we're on to the last bit, which is hoovering out the living room. So you can see Ava here is still half dressed. It was 9 o'clock in the morning when I was doing this, so she is in her pajamas. At the end she does be dressed, but yeah, when I'm cleaning or when I'm doing something, I do distract her with my phone. I give her YouTube Kids, and here you see me. I'm having awful issues with my Dyson Hoover. It's just, I've had it now for 5 years, and it's just, the suction is gone, the parts are failing, so I'm really in the market for a new vacuum, and I'd love to know what you would choose. Let me know in the comments what your Hoover is, if you like it, if you don't like it. Let me know what you would recommend that I get. I've heard so much stuff about Shark, and that is definitely very up there on my list. So if you have a Shark, or if you have another type of Hoover that you would recommend, please do let me know in the comments. So something else that never recorded was me hoovering behind the TV stand. So I'm just going to push everything back into where they're supposed to go, and that is really it. So thank you so much for watching today, guys. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. As I said, I would love your vacuum recommendations in the comments. Let me know what you have. If you have any comments or questions or queries about my video today or any of my videos, please do leave them in the comments. And I have a blog you can check out, ourishfamily.com, my Instagram, Karen H. Ireland, and my Twitter, OurIrishFamily. And I will talk to you in my next one. Bye, guys. Have a good day.